In this video, you will learn how to highlight text in Apple Pages for Mac. So if you are someone who wants to smartly highlight text in Apple Pages for Mac for better note taking, then this is the video you need to watch. So here I have got a Pages document and it has some text as well that I want to highlight. Let's suppose I want to highlight this text. So I'll simply select it and I'll select the entire text that I want to highlight. And once that is selected, in order to highlight this, what I need to do is I need to simply click on this format option in the top right corner, and once that is selected, this will open the various formatting options. But currently you see it is the formatting option for text, and that is because we have selected text here. So in order to highlight this, we need to click on this shading icon just below font so that it may show more text formatting options. I'll click on this drop down icon and you can see it has opened up more options, but it seems like this is not entirely visible, so I'll resize this a bit so that you may see. Okay, now let's click on this again slightly more. Now you can see it clearly. If I click on this, you get these more text formatting options, and all the way down there's text background option. So I'll click on this drop down arrow and this will open various color options for selecting as the background for this text. So let's suppose I want to keep the text background color for highlighted text as green. So I'll click on this, and if I click on it again, you can see this text has been highlighted with a different color, that is green. By the way, if you want a different color or want to change the color of highlighted text, then select again like this and click on this drop down arrow for more text formatting options, and from text background click on this again and select the one that you want, and now you can see this text has been highlighted with a different color. So that is how you can highlight text in Pages for Mac. But obviously there are more ways as well for highlighting text in Pages, and I'll cover that in some other videos. So make sure you subscribe and tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss notifications. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.